Now, before I get cracking on some more fun stuff like the 68 Mustang that's sitting right behind the camera there, and Belvedere, which is over in the driveway. Well, I got to get this exhaust done. It's not mine, but it's been sitting around long enough. I do some odd jobs every now and then. Fun projects for the day. Yay, 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 yay! We gotta lop this apart. Yeah. I know this probably won't be the most entertaining video for you here. I was gonna hit an auction today. Had some vehicles, old vehicles. I talked myself out of it. Figured I have enough projects kind of laying around, so here we are. Well, come on, man. I got chop saws and death wheels and everything else, and yeah, use the old Sawzall. It works. Well, what did I do with that piece? You know, the first piece I cut off, I lost it. I don't know how I lost it. There it is. Want to make sure inlet and outlet, so that way I don't go spinning this backwards, and the car's already got codes on it and I don't need to throw up any more codes. Well, tell you what, I'm gonna clean this sticker off. This stuff's really gone up in price here. And this piece was like 30 bucks. Oh, I need juice. Lovely balanced Harbor Freight wheel here. I mean, just how it vibrates on the table there, you can see how balanced it is. Now, since I ain't going with a bent piece, kind of how the factory piece was all yay wiggly, well, I'm not doing that naturally. So I will put it in place and just kind of give the pipes a little angle before I weld them up. Then I'll just get my own flex out of it. Well, I think I can leave that sit there for a second and drag out the old welder and burn the ever-loving snot out of myself down here. I can see it already. Yeah. Naturally fitting here, I have entirely too much stuff just kind of laying around that I gotta clean up. I guess I should wrap that air hose up sometime. Yeah, I'll get there. Yeah. Get the roll cage stuff moved. Them pipes are pretty cold. Bring the cord out first. Less likelihood of me tripping and falling over it. You know, one of these years I'm gonna replace the wheels on this thing. Yeah. So it actually moves like it's intended to do. Yeah, probably not anytime soon. You know, as long as these work. I'd rather just keep fooling around and just complaining about how it works in the meantime. I guess I'll modify that plug so yeah, actually fits in like it's supposed to. Probably not either. You think I gotta grab me a whole pair of gloves or something? Digitalizers are getting cold here. I guess I got to replace my, well, before I go welding on the cage here, I got to replace my gauge set on the tank, the regulator. Because I can't really see what it's all regulating. See, it might have fallen over before. Not the big tank. You know what? I think the big tank did fall over, but so my gauges have seen better days, is what I'm trying to say. I might give me a little pair of gloves so I don't burn the hell out of my hands. I guess we'll go tacking her into place and welding her up. Ouch! Ow! It hurt. That thing damn near stabbed me in the eye. So I bounced my head right off the ground. Ow. Whew. Hey, careful. Might knock some sense into myself. No, we can't have that. You know, I really don't like doing exhaust systems. I really don't. But for some reason, here we are. Ow. Get a couple tacks on there, hold her in place. One more. There we go. Ouch. What am I on? Ow. Come. Just so much room down here. Now we get to the front. Hey, zip ties. I wonder if I worked on this before. Down a hair. Ow. Ow. 1010, do not recommend. You see, I got my other version of the lift out right now. By that I mean I got the boys' plastic ramps. So I mean they're pretty awesome. It gets you just high enough that you really can't use a helmet or nothing under here. Well, it's hideous underneath. As expected, I'm fighting with the wind here, so hopefully it don't leak too bad. Drop and keep. Well, hot dog, it's quiet again. It's not. Which I know some people like that, the way that stuff sounds, but I really don't. So I'm glad it's quiet again. There's one less car that I'll hear driving past the house. That fart can crap. Oh, let's see if she's leaking. Oh, let's see here. Well, there you go. Not the most interesting video here, but it was just one of the things I was working on. Fix the exhaust, flex pipe on this thing so I can get out of here. One of the little project hustles that you got to do to kind of survive nowadays, and then have a couple extra bones in your pocket there so you can do other stuff. But I got to get flux core wire too, because this whole welding outside stuff just, man, do you fight with it. One of these years I'll learn my lesson. Probably not, so thanks for tuning in. More interesting ones are coming. This is what I got going on at the moment. So give a like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you on the next one.